Hi everyone, that's Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today I have prepared a very quick and easy design. Have a preview of it in here. Absolutely fantastic, and I hope you really enjoy it, so let's start. Very easy design, but so pretty. Look at it, guys. And also I love how it's changed the colors, like going from pinks to blues and then disappearing as well. I will show you how to achieve this look. So I've got my tips ready, and then 183, which is a black ink. Apply it on the tip, remove any dust so we don't have flaps, and then apply it black. I'm trying to do it nice and thin layer just so I don't have to paint it twice, but also we don't want the black to wrinkle, so always apply it really nice and thin. Cure it, 60 seconds cure. The gel polish is cured in 60 seconds. Get the next tip ready and paint it black as well. I'm actually going to try 3 different colors just so you could see it, different results. And then the third one. I think it's definitely a fun design to do, and it's super quick. My clients really love it as well. They're quite curious, like how this is happening. That's we can get those type of designs. Okay, so my tips are curing. I'm not going to shorten the curing time because with the blacks you never want to do that. And then we will apply cat eye 002. So the first one is ready. And I'm going to apply it this cat eye. Wow. I think that will be so pretty. Grab the magnet. So that was 002. And then we are going to create the cat eye effect. So I want to push it oh wow, from each side to get really intense results. And then once I'm happy, I'm going to give it a cure. This one is super cool. Okay, take another tip. And on this one, we are going to do rainbow cat eye. So apply it in. And then using the magnet, get the things in the middle as well. I have done the bubble effect with the chromes before, so I was really curious how it will work with the cat eyes. That's a really nice results. Yeah, awesome. That's perfect. Cure it as well. And then the last one. So the last one is here, and I have used, oh gosh, I don't know which one I have used. That's a 03 and that's a 04. I have used 03. So 03 goes from blue to purple, so now I'm going to use 04. You know, they really actually look fantastic even on their own, without of cat eye effect. There we are. And one more time. Always move the magnet away first and then push it in. Okay, that's me happy with this one, really intense. And then once my cat eye is cooking, we are going to grab the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel and some foam bubbles. So I have found it actually using the eyelash foam bottle gives a quite nice results, and we don't have to blow it. And if I'm going slower, I can create a slightly bigger bubbles, and that's what cameraman prefers. So he wants bigger bubbles. So I'm trying to go slow. There we are. I've got some bubbles here. And then we are going to grab the first tip. No, that was the last one. I don't want to undercure them. There we are. That's the first one. So take the High Shine No Wipe Top Gel and apply over the entire design. And now using the ombre brush, I actually find it is quite a nice way of applying this foam. So ombre brush and just place those foam in there. And then put it inside the lamp. And let it cure it 60 seconds. Top coat over this one. They're really easy designs. Like, you don't need any skill really to be able to complete them. And then give it a cure. This one is so pretty. Oh, wow. Amazing. So top coat in. I actually cannot wait to see the final results on those designs. And then grab the foam. I'm going to squeeze it a fresh scoop. No, I can't shake it because this isn't, they are not created by shakes. It's a special pumps which make the foam, and it's actually making the foam too much foam. Because it makes too much foam, it makes them very small, cameraman, and you like them big. So I'm trying my best to make them really big, see? And if I would shake it, it would give me a very small foam. And you want this large foam, because you told me you prefer the larger one, and he's actually right. Cook it. And I show you what's happened if I shake it, guys, because I have tested as well. So I will shake it now. And then the foam becomes thinner. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, but no, that was the accident, only accident. It comes thinner. It's a pump which does...
Yes, but if it's shake, it's less watery. That has to be more air inside. Thank you.
No.
What no? It's bigger.
Okay, maybe he's right. No, I think it was just... he's not right, guys.
He's right.
He's not.
He's right. Who is right?
I think this is a foam, and if I shake it, it creates more foam. And the more foam it creates, the more foamy it becomes. And I don't want it foamy, I want those air bubbles. So maybe it was just his luck, because I went too slow. My hand is getting tired, but see, now I didn't shake it and it's still...
Still have to shake it. Yes.
Oh, do you want a foam fight? Actually, we did it once with Olivia when she was little. That was such a... not even once, yeah, that was such a fun. Okay, so which one was first? I don't know which one was first. This one was first, okay. No, that wasn't first because it still has the foam. This one was first. So you can see it, the foam has cooked. And what I'm going to do it now is I will take the UV cleanser and just clean it like this. This is all just very tiny bubbles, but I think it's amazing still, you know, it's really amazing. But anyway, the next step, just to finish this design, we are going to take the top coat on the side. And what we will do, we've got some top coat wrapped in here. I'm just grabbing a gold chrome and I'm just going over the edges with the gold chrome. Okay, and it will stick to it because it is no wipe top gel. Give it a nice wipe with my finger. So around it. And then take a small brush and just cover it with the top coat again. Go very irregular. To be honest, the more messy you go, the nicer results you will get. And as I can really see so many different ideas for this design. I think it's absolutely amazing. And you can see it also how the chrome sticks into some particles of it. So if you want, you can top coat that as well. And I'm going to do it on this one. I will top coat it some of the bubbles as well. But just some of it. And then give it a cure. Okay, then this one is ready as well. No, they all went small. Here I've got only large one. So we are going to wrap this chrome again, but clean it first, like, because there still might be some foam on them. Okay, so clean it first. And then, silver and gold. No, I can't use that. So we are going to go for the rose.
Silver one.
No, I will go for a rose gold. Or for those blue one, turquoise one. Turquoise one. Turquoise will go with the silver. Turquoise one. And this one is so pretty, guys. Yeah. I mean, gold make it look like a wee stone or something. But let's do it on the turquoise one. And you know what? Don't worry, even if you go over it, like over the some of the bubbles, that's absolutely fine. Because I will show you what we'll do on the end. But let's top coat it. So grab the top coat and go with the top coat. Again, very irregular, like. And then give it a cure. And the last one, this one of course is going to go gold. It's so pretty. Wrap this in. Actually, it will look absolutely fantastic if I would wrap it all over as well. Let me check it. Yeah, that gives some nice results too. Because you can see some texture, like I think it's pretty too. Okay, take the top coat and then apply it, the top coat, only in the places you want your chrome to stay. Okay, so if there is on the bottom, I want it more maybe. And here in this corner, I want more too. So very irregular. And then give it a cure. Okay, once our tips are cooked, we are going to grab the UV cleanser again. And we need to clean it and make it nice. So this one was first. And it's cooked. I'm taking the UV cleanser and I'm going to clean it, the places where the chrome, we don't want the chrome. Okay, so it will clean away all those places where we don't want the chrome, and it will easily come off. It wouldn't come off on the places where we have put the top coat only. Okay, clean it. And that's the final result. I love it how it's kind of showing up and then disappearing. So showing, yellow, oranges, like pinks, all sorts of different colors, and then disappearing as well. That's one. Oh, that's a nice one. There we are. So that's this one. Place it there. So cool. Then another one. So that was the turquoise one. Again, clean it. The excess of the chrome. So you see it comes off from the places which we didn't top coat it. Clean it, and that's another one. And then the last one. So pretty. So clean it. It looks like a stones as well, like a real stones. So pretty. I need to show you all three of them. Let me do this one there, and this one here. Really nice textured design. I'll show you at all the angles as well. So pretty. Coming in, disappearing, showing. Yeah, I hope you have guys really enjoyed it. Sending you glittery hugs, and bye for now.